All right, first fish.
We're gonna keep this one.
Okay. You wanna?
Hey, we're not skunked. Right? First cast with that thing I just had.
Okay. Nice work. All right, that's one.
All right,
Sorry,
guys.
Can we retie this?
Yeah. All right, so let me show you. I'll just put this down. We caught already a little trout. Caught one. Our first cast with a new lure. What? Yeah. Gotta. Let me just rinse them off real quick. There we go. Look at that nice little rainbow. All right, like first cast, literally, with a new lure. So, see if we catch another one. Watch out, watch out. Beautiful. Right out there. Right out there. This. Oh, I got a bite. Oh, yep, got one. Got one. Let's go. 2 casts, 2 fish. I am. All right, boys.
2 casts, 2 fish. Here it is, coming in.
Drive the net?
Yeah.
Oh, just dump the other trout out. 2. Ooh, it's a pretty nice one. Quickly. Just put it in the net.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh. All right, no, don't get tangled up with. All right. No, that's fine. Oh, it came off. It's fine. Oh, that's a fat guy. Oh, that's a fat boy. Shoot, yeah. Should I keep this guy? I don't know. I don't think so, actually.
That's kind of hard.
It's pretty.
Oh, yeah. Straight out. You guys all right?
Oh, gosh. Oh, that's a big fat boy. Whew. There we go. Oh, this is a big boy. Oh. Guys, they're everywhere. I've hooked so many.
They're following it.
They're definitely.
Fish usually have about 1 minute to start wrapping up and stop casting because the next group is about to come in.
Oh no. All right, last cast.
Yeah. All right. So
Last cast.
they're right there.
They are?
Yeah, they're right there. Bring it in, fast and slow. Distract them.
Oh, got one. Got him. Last cast. Oh, he's a big one.
Got him. Okay. All right.
He's actually a huge one. Get the net. Get the net. He's a big one. He's a big one. He's a big one. Oh yeah. He's actually a huge one. Get the net. Get the net. Oh, he's a big one. He's a big one. Oh yeah. Yeah. No, I'm fine. I'm fine. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's not a lightning, but it's a big one.
Yeah. Last cast. Man.
All right. Oh, time is up.
Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Look at that. He's a beast.
That's a
He's a
beast.
beast. And it's last cast.
It was your last cast.
It's my last cast. He's a beast. Oh my gosh, he's actually a beast. He's an actual beast. Oh, look at that.
Oh my gosh, are you kidding me?
Great.
Oh man,
Yeah, he's the one.
he's the one we're gonna keep. Oh, it's a big one. Whew. Look at that. Look at that beast. It's a beast. Whew. Look at that beast. It's a beast that's actually like as long as my arm. I know it's even longer. It's a beast. It's a beast. It's a beast. Holy cow. Oh. I wanna. Jeez.
Nice.
Thanks.
Put one of your smaller ones in that thing over there, okay?
Okay. Here's our 2 fish. This one's a nice one. Nice one. And then our largest one where I caught last cast. It's so special because they literally said, I was like, last cast. They're like, everybody, oh shoot, start packing up. And then I was in the middle of a cast and I got this beast. Oh my gosh. Look, this one's a normal size trout, above average. And then look at the size differences. Look at the size differences. Look at this beast compared to this one. Dude, this is nice.
All right. Very last cast. You got.
Last cast.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, this is last cast. Right when they said it's pack up and
Wow.
got him. Oh yeah.
I've seen this beast.
Hold on a sec. Which one? Both? Oh, all right.
My brother caught all 3 fish.
You're welcome.
Nice